guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for today's video, I'm going to unboxing this mach frame FMA chassis, the item number 1A714. And on the side, the box says, I think this is the car from the 2018 Mini 4-Wheel Drive Design Contest. And I believe it says that this is the first car that has the new design for 4 parts of the body and can put it together, become to one full body. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna open the box and see what's inside, and also in the end we will see what's the score mark and this car can get from my score list. Okay, so check it out. Okay, so let's start from the body. So you can see this special design for the body. It has 4 different parts, and you have to put it together, and that will become like this. And be honestly, it looks so cool. So actually, I made one for myself already, and also this one 4-piece, and this is the stickers for this car. Okay, and here is the FMA chassis. The material is ABS, and this is the rear plate, and I believe this color is it looks like it's gray, so gray color, and the parts is color black. And it's medium size, the 8-spoke wheels, medium size, color white. And for this tire, the mach frames is, the tire comes is medium size, super hard. The only thing is doesn't come with any lettering, so but this is the super hard tires. It's very good for this kit. And the gear ratio, it's 3.5 high-speed gears. Okay, and the shaft is 16 millimeters. Okay, and the only thing, the FMA, the propeller shaft is 72, I believe, if I'm right. It's 72, same as the Super X and Super XX for the FMA chassis. Okay. So here is the units for this mach frame. Okay, so then we go for the next. Let's see on the scoreboard, what does this car get? Okay, check it out. Okay, so here's the scoreboard for the mach frame. So the chassis, I give the 0.5 because it's ABS, and the body 0.75 because this design is pretty special, and the gear ratio I give them 0.1 because it's 3.5 high-speed gear. The wheel 0.5 regular medium wheels, and the tire I give the super hard tire, so I give them 1 point, and the other 0.5 is from the carbon reinforced pinning gear. So the total score is 4.25. So that's the score for this car. So this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Okay, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.